Assam Chief Minister and BJP leader Himanta Biswa Sarma has welcomed the resignation of Bhupen Bora, a former chief of Assam Congress. Following the report of the resignation of Bora and 7 other Congress MLAs, Sarma stated that Bhupen Bora was the last Hindu leader in the Assam Congress party who did not occupy the post of MLA or minister. His resignation carries a symbolic message that in Congress, no one from a normal family can prosper. Sarma, however, said Bora has not contacted BJP to join the party, but Assam CM said he will visit him on Tuesday evening. Sarma also revealed that the BJP has already approached Bhupen Bora 3 years ago and promised to give him a safe seat.
He was the last Hindu leader in the Congress party without family background. Bhupen Bora was the last Hindu leader in Assam Congress whose father or mother did not occupy the post of MLA or minister. His resignation carried a symbolic message that in Congress, no one from the normal family can prosper. He has accused Congress for appeasement politics, appeasing particularly a MP from Dhubri. He also alleged that Gaurav Gogoi could not clarify his position on Pakistan visit. As such, I welcome the resignation. However, he has not contacted us for any joining program. However, tomorrow evening I will visit his house as courtesy.
Are you ready to welcome him in BJP?
We are. I told it to all of you 3 years back that we are ready to welcome Bhupen Bora. We are ready to give him a safe seat from BJP perspective.
It has been also reported that he has clearly mentioned that no Hindu leader can now work in the Congress party.
Congress party's position in Assam is terrible. Today, 3 observers has come for selection of tickets. All 3 observers has been assigned a MLA from minority constituency. Even in a district where Hindu is 100%, in that district also that observer is being accompanied by a minority leader. Situation is very grim. Now in many Congress district offices in Assam, the meetings start with a religious prayer belonging to a particular community. The Congress in Assam is changing fast. People are noticing it. Bhupen Bora's resignation carries a symbolic message that Congress has lost its last Hindu leader.
Will more Hindu leaders from Congress join the BJP?
I think
Are you in talks?
two pronged. Joining BJP, we need to do lot of calibration within the party because we do not have enough vacancy. All the seats where a Hindu can win or a Indian can win or Indian Muslim can win, we have already people there. But I can predict you that people will resign from Congress. Whether they will join BJP or not BJP, that is a second thing.
So there is also reported that several others MLAs are ready to quit the Congress. Is this the impact of the Gaurav Gogoi?
After Gaurav Gogoi's Pakistan link, lot of Hindu Congress leaders are joining BJP at the grassroots. 4 or 5 MLA will also join, but we are not encouraging them to join right now because we have a Rajya Sabha election. So if they get disqualified, we will not win. Like he is ready to join. Like he is a Muslim MLA, he will join. But I am saying that, look, wait for some time. Join little 15 days later. So a lot of Muslim MLA, apart from Hindu MLA, are on queue to join either BJP or AGP.
You have also said that